Hello and welcome back to this video session. So in this video session we are going to learn the very basic that how to connect this Arduino board. Okay, let's see this board. So in this board we are having here that is a USB interface. So you can power up this board with this USB interface, or you are having this jack, barrel jack, fine, and you can connect look, this is a USB and this is a barrel jack. So here one thing you have to note that do not supply voltage more than 12. So recommended voltage is 6 to 12 volt, fine, 6 to 12 volt. So you're supposed to give a voltage between this. If you are going to give a voltage that would be greater than 20 voltage, you are going to burn up this board, fine. So one thing I did before making this video, I was trying to program the ESP module. So I have used the same board, fine. To program that I have to remove the brain of this board, fine. So this is the main chip, null chip, fine. So it should be here. So I'm going to fix this chip over here. So you shouldn't have to do anything with this chip, fine. So I have some project work, that's why I use only the board as an interface. So here I put this chip, fine, and so now let's power up our board. So I'm having this cable, fine, which was shipped with this board. So this thing I'm going to put it over here, and this one USB that straightway goes to my laptop or a PC. So here I'm going to connect this jack. You can see the next part would goes to straightway to the PC, and you can see how this board is powered up. We are having a LED in a on position, fine. So okay, so this was our chip. So now let's do some let's launch Arduino So this is Aurdino IDE. So by this you can program this board. Let's see how to program for that. Here I'm right now. Just we are going to configure this board. Okay, here is the IDE. So no Wi-Fi, no USB module. Let's launch a new. Okay, so this is a by default a code. But here first you have to choose look, generic ESP module, board manager, so Arduino board. So you're going to select your board from here, fine. So here you can see that here COM3 it automatically detect this Arduino Uno, fine. So this board is already selected, but here I am going to change this because it is automatically detected, but here the board is ESP because previously I was working on ESP module. So here I am going to change to Arduino Uno. So make sure that these two terms should map. Here is Arduino Uno and here should also be Arduino Uno. If you are going to select any else board, then it may not work, fine. So now we have selected our board. Now there are inbuilt examples already there. Okay, tools here in a file you can go to the examples. So built-in example. So here you can launch any of the program which you want. So this is built-in example, basic and blink. So I'm going to launch a blink one. So again you can check that again the board are mapped over here and automatically detected at port number 3. 3. So here built-in LED. So here you can give any number, which port you want to use. Here in a first video I have illustrated that these are the digital pins, but here if I'm going to talk about this inbuilt LED, so I'm going to talk about the LED which is connected to this 18. This is by default 13. If you are going to put a 13 over here, then it will also work. So let's do one thing. Let's verify our program. So it's going to compile it first. So it's compiling this sketch. It is going to check if there is any error in the code. So there are many there is no chance, because this is already tested program in an example, so I hadn't done anything till now. So it's going to check all the libraries and linking the stuff in the compilation process. Okay, local variable, okay, fine. So now done compilation. So now I'm going to burn, means upload. I'm going to upload this code to the Arduino board. So let's do this. Okay, so here pin mode, this is I'm going to use this LED, fine, and here LED built-in high, then it will wait for 1 second, then low means it is going to on and off our LED for 1 second. So now you can see over here this LED, which is inbuilt LED. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now you can see that, look, this LED is now blinking. So it's on for 1 second, then off for 1 second. Now if you want to change the second, like it will high for 1 second, then it is going to be retained on for let's say 2, or you can make it very much fast. Let's reduce to 500, that is half of the seconds. Again you can upload it to the board. So now your code is uploading, fine. So this is RxTX. So that is a receiver and transmission. When look, your LED is now blinking very much faster. Again, if you want to make it more faster, the quarter of a second to 500, you can upload this, and now RxTX, it means code is uploaded. Now it is more faster. So this was way to use this very basic program regarding the LED. And you can modify this program. Let's suppose I'm going to code for pin number 1, fine. So same program for pin number 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this LED. So this is the longest leg is the positive side, fine. So this is a small breadboard over here. So I'm going to slide it a little bit, fine. So these are the 2 wires I'm going to use, fine. So I'm going to fix this LED like this. So this is the positive side. Remember that this one is a positive side. For the positive side, I'm going to use a blue wire. Blue wire is for the positive side, and for the negative, I'm going to use this ground one, fine. So I'm going to use look, here we are having a ground in a digital pin. So ground will go to the corresponding pin for the AFT, and this is ground, fine. And now you can't use directly the LED, so we need these resistors. So I'm going to use 220 volt resistor over here, resistance, sorry. So this is ground, and here I'm going to remove this. I'm going to have a resistance over here. Okay, so that will straightway go to, because we are going to code it on a pin number 1, so it's a pin number 1, fine. So pin number 1, so let's upload our program to the board. So now you can see that pin number pin 1, the same program is running on a pin 1. So I hope this video would be very much helpful for you for the starting of the very basic of your IoT. Thanks, and if you like this video, just hit the subscribe button for the latest update regarding the new videos, and thanks for watching.